Okay, we're going to change it up here a little bit. I've went ahead and changed the size of our array to a 6 by 8 array. So it's going to have 6 rows and 8 columns. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this random generator to randomly generate a number to that position. So for here, I'm going to go ahead and say array. Remember, we're using the R and the C to write to the correct position. So array of R and then C will equal generator.next. Then I need to give it the number range here. So we'll have it generate a number between 0 and 100. So it's going to randomly generate out 100 numbers here inside the array. Let's say I want to print out these numbers so I can actually see them. I'll go out here to this label here, and we'll do this. We'll print the original array out to label 1 here, and then we'll do the next part here in label 5. So to print out our results, I'm going to go label1.text plus equals. If I use the generator.next again, it's going to be a different number. So I need to use the array 1, 2, 3 of RC so we can use that same number that just got put into that position. And then we'll use an ampersand to put a comma in between. Now, when I do that, there they go. Off of the form, lots of numbers. Let's change it up instead. First of all, I'm going to go ahead also here and just clear out the labels text. But we want to make it where we can physically see everything laid out a little smoother. So I can go in between the row and the column array and add label1.text plus equals control chars dot new line to separate out each of the rows properly. So now when I run it, we can see that our rows are now separated. They're a little bit staggered because see how the 6 here is a smaller, well, single digit number? It's going to happen. It's going to happen, but each of these rows, 2, 4, 6, 8, 2, 4, 6, 8, 6 rows, 2, 4, 6, 8 columns each. In the next video, we're going to take this data and figure out the sum of each row, and then in another video, the sum of each column.